What's up, guys? A little windy. I got the gloves. I do have a little protection on as far as the to block the wind on the camera. I don't really have protection on now, but somebody's in my spots. Okay, I see. We got a little scrap to pick up, guys. You guys see that? So we're gonna grab that. See what else. Oh, it looks like a motor down there. I don't know if I could get in, guys, but what I'm gonna do, move that. Somehow we're gonna have to get down there and pull that. Alright, guys, let's see if we get in here and get that scrap down there. There's a whole bunch down here. I really didn't want to get this dirty, guys. Something in my back pocket. Oh shoot, my phone. Make sure we're not calling nobody in secret here. Okay, we're good. Let's try to show and get this stuff here. Oh. Whoa. Try to show that too down here. Whoop. It sticks out of me. Get some face. See what else is this? Oh, looks like an old TV. Don't let me forget my phone, guys. I'm seeing a bunch of stuff here as well. I don't know what that is. What we got here? I think that's to do with the brakes. See something down here if I can lift it, guys. Whoa, what the heck? What is that, guys? Steering box? Oh, shoot. Okay. Wow. What do we got here, guys? I don't want to lose my keys, you know. Got something right here. Oh my goodness, guys. There's another one. Oh, I can feel the heat coming out now. These have been down here for a while. That's scrap, right? Got another one here. Just let me dig here a little bit, see what's in here. Okay, we'll grab this one. There's something right over there we can get on the other side. Alright, let's get out of here. And I got my phone. Guys. I don't know if I could even get in here, guys, to pull this stuff out. Gotta watch this rock right here. Seems pretty solid. I'm gonna have to crawl in there to get it. I don't know if it's worth it. What do you guys think? Let's see. Is that solid or what, guys? I don't know. Might have to try the other way. Seems pretty solid. What y'all think? Let's go for it. Got it. I got it. Oh. Some kind of steering. Some kind of steering thing. Steering knuckle or something right there. Whew. See what we could do. That's it. Anything else? Anything else? That looks like a piece of wood. We'll let that go. All right, I'll start bringing this over by the car. Start dragging this out there. I'll try to take 2 of these, and we'll head out to the car, guys. We'll close this for now. There we go, guys. There it is. Laying out in the woods. What I'll do is take a photo of that for everybody. Let's go see what else we can find, guys. See what else is laying around. What we got here? People gonna buy this plastic. What we got here, guys? Some aluminum. Look at that. Some aluminum right there. It's got rubber. This would probably just be dirty aluminum. Huh. Dirty aluminum, steel. I don't know what else we can find, guys. Just gotta look around. I'm just exploration right now. There's a muffler right there, guys. I'm not sure. I'm not sure if we could get that or not. There's another one. Oh. Loaded with something. We gotta watch in this area because there's a lot of sticker bushes and stuff like that. The sticker bushes, and we don't want to fall in there. That's for sure. Looks like one of my old mufflers, guys. Go ahead and get this by the car. In the woods. For 20 views. All for 20 views. I don't understand YouTube. Sometimes I think it's all, I don't know, rigged. This one is loaded with swamp crap in there. It's really heavy. Really heavy, guys, but I guess I could clean it at the house. We'll get it out of there at the house. We'll try to get that cleaned up at the house, I guess. We got aluminum, we got scrap metal.